Hello everyone, welcome back to Music Fast, the place future musicians come to get inspired. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to find the key of a song. So in music, a quick recap, we have 12 keys. This is the key of C, the key of C sharp or D flat, D sharp or E flat, E, the key of F, the key of F sharp or G flat, the key of G, the key of G sharp or A flat, the key of A, the key of A sharp or B flat, and the key of B. So within this octave, we have the 12 keys. Same thing here, repetition of what? The same 12 keys. Same thing here, the same repetition of the 12 keys. But for this exercise, we're going to be using the mid octave, which is middle C, as they call it, right? So this is the middle of the keyboard. We're just going to be using this octave to find the key of a song. So this is the second step now. Once you know your 12 keys, you're good to go to the second step. So you remember your tones and semitones. From Do to Re is a tone. Assuming we're on the key of C, Do to Re is a tone. This separates them. Re to Mi is a tone. This separates them. Mi to Fa is a semitone. Nothing separates them. Fa to Sol is a tone. This separates them. Sol to La is a tone. This separates them. La to Ti is a tone. This separates them. And Ti to Do is what? A semitone. That's how you run your scale on the C major. Do to Re, tone. Re to Mi, tone. Mi to Fa, semitone. Fa to Sol, tone. Sol to La, tone. La to Ti, tone. And Ti to Do, semitone. So like this, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do, Ti, La, Sol, Fa, Mi, Re, Do. If you go to the key of C sharp, it's the same idea. Do to Re is tone, this separates them. Re to Mi, tone, this separates them. Mi to Fa, semitone, nothing separates them. Fa to Sol, tone, this separates them. Sol to La, tone, this separates them. La to Ti, tone, this separates them. And Ti to Do, semitone. So on the key of C sharp major, you also run your major scale using that formula. Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do, Ti, La, Sol, Fa, Mi, Re, Do. Now we're going to the third level or third step, which is assuming keys are notes. So if I tell you, assuming the key of C sharp is your saw, find the key of the song. When you are told to find the key of the song, you are looking for the father of the major scale, which is your Do. Remember, when you run your major scale, you have Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti. The Do is the father. Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, and Ti are what? Members of the family. So if you are told to find the key of a song, you are being asked to find the Do, which is the father of the family. So if I tell you the key of C sharp is your saw, take your pen and write now. What's the first step? Assuming find the key of C sharp. What's the second step? Assuming C sharp is your saw. Now I convert this key of C sharp to a saw. Third step, what's the fastest route from saw to Do? Is it forward or backward? Which is quicker? So from saw to Do, you only have La and Ti separating them, which is 2. That's forward. And if you're also counting from Sol to Do backwards, you have Fa, Mi, and Re, which is 3. So you see that 2 is shorter than 3. So it means the fastest route from Sol to Do is what? Forward. So now it means we're moving forward. Then step 4, use tones and semitones to get to Do. So if the key of C sharp is my saw, first thing I'll identify C sharp. Second, I will take C sharp to be saw. Fastest route to Do is forward. Then I use my tones and semitones to get there. So Sol to La is what? Tone. La. La to Ti is what? Tone. Ti. Ti to Do is what? Semitone. So it means the key of the song will be what? F sharp or G flat. So those are the 4 steps. Step 1, identify the key being asked, C sharp. Step 2, convert the key being asked to the note asked. So I said assuming C sharp is saw. So I take C sharp now to be my new saw. Step 3, what's the fastest route to Do? Forward or backward? In this case, forward, because Sol, La, Ti is what separating saw and Do if you move forward, compared to Fa, Mi, and Re, separating saw and Do if you are moving backward. So backward is to your left, forward is to your right. So in this case, I'm going to move forward because forward is the quickest route. Then I apply my tones and semitones to get to Do. So La, Ti, Do. So my Do now, this is my Do. Then I convert this note now to my key. What key is representing Do? F sharp or G flat. So that's how you score a song. And now the last one now is another example just to make sure I buttress my point. If I tell you the key of G is my Fa, we're going to repeat the same process. First of all, assume the key being asked, which is G. Step 2, convert the key of G to my Fa. I said assuming the key of G is Fa. So I go to G first. Step 2, I take G as Fa now. Then step 3, what's the fastest route to Do? Is it forward or backwards from Fa? If you go backwards to your left, you have mi and re separating fa from do. If you go forward to your right, you have sol, la, ti. So it means 2 is shorter than 3. So it means the fastest route from do, if you're on fa, should be backwards. So if G is fa, the fastest route is backward. Then step 4, apply tones and semitones. Fa to mi is what? Semitone. Mi to re is what? Tone. Re to do is tone. So it means the key of the song will be what? The key of D. So once I get to that do, I now convert it to the name of that key that do is representing. So the answer is D. So if G is fa, then the key of the song will be D. So when you're asked for the key of the song, you're simply asked what key is representing the do of that song. So practice this, watch the video a couple of times, and you're very good on how to find the key of a song.